अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं स्मोकी चिकन। दिस इज़ अ थिक मसाला ग्रेवी जो डिनर बन्स के साथ, नान्स के साथ एंड इवन गोज़ वेरी वेल विथ घी राइस एज वेल। सो प्लीज़ डू ट्राई इट आउट। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स मैरिनेट द चिकन फर्स्ट। आई हैव टेकन 1 kg of chicken. Add that to a wide-mouthed bowl or a dish. इसमें 1 tablespoon garlic paste add करिए. Then add 3/4 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. अच्छे से mix करिए so that the masala coats each of the pieces and marinate for at least an hour or overnight. Now let's start making the gravy. Take a heavy bottomed pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. When they become hot, add the marinated chicken and saute for at least 5 minutes on medium flame. Also add 5 to 6 green chilies slit. Keep sauteing till the chicken changes color. It's now almost 5 minutes since I have been sauteing the chicken. Now add the puree of 7 to 8 tomatoes. Mix well. Keep the flame on medium. And also rinse out the mixie jar with a glass of water and add that to the gravy as well. And let it cook. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. We have already added a teaspoon of salt while marinating. No, we won't add further salt. We will wait till the chicken and the gravy is cooked. Then we will check for spices and salt. Let's check. It's almost 15 minutes. Now let's add 15 to 20 cashews powder. That is around 2 tablespoons of cashews. What I usually do is I dry roast the cashews, powder them and store them in the chill tray of my refrigerator. So as and when I need it, it's ready. You can do that as well, or you can powder fresh cashews and add that to the gravy. Mix well. Also add a few chopped coriander leaves and juice of half a lemon. Mix and add a tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Cover and leave on dum for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. The gravy is nicely done. The chicken is cooked. Let's check for salt and spices. Salt is slightly less, so I'm adding another half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Spice is perfect, but if you wish the gravy to be more spicy, you can add more chili powder according to your preference. Now let's add the fresh cream. I have taken Amul fresh cream. Add half a cup of fresh cream. Mix and switch off the flame. Don't forget to switch off the flame. Now there is one last thing you have to do to give the chicken masala a smoky flavor. Keep a small steel bowl or an aluminum foil bowl in the middle of the gravy. Add a burning coal. Over that, add a teaspoon of ghee. Cover and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. And that's it. The gravy is ready. Goes very well with naans, parathas, ghee rice. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.